Hello, my friends. I'm going to try a more traditional cloud pour today, but first I want to show you the dried results of the last one I did when I poured it in the figure 8 fashion, so it certainly didn't come out like a traditional cloud pour, but here's the dried result, and I'm quite happy with it. I varnished it with the Liquitex, and it's now on my website. And real quick, let me explain a bit about pricing. I've done this on a previous video, but for those of you who are maybe new to my channel, you may not have seen that. Something like this is a 12 by 12. I just add up the sides. So 12, 12, 12, and 12, and this is $48. If I embellish a pour, of course, that price goes up because it's a lot more effort involved. But the straight pour, I keep them, I think, pretty reasonable. And a frame is available for another 12. And when I show something in a frame, people always ask, where did you get it? So I will link the website I use, the source I get my frames from, up above, right there. So there you go. I welcome you to visit my website, ChrissyPaints.com, and click on shop to see everything. However, if you do and you see something you want, email me rather than go through the website, because shipping is always less expensive when I calculate it myself. And then I just want to show you this other little embellishment I did. There's quite a glare there. But this is one of my favorite reference photos, this squirrel. I just think he's so cute. And dressed it up with some metallic flowers. I haven't not yet varnished it, but I think it will really be quite stunning when it is, because there's a lot of metallics in the pour. Anyway, he's also on my website. So, here we go. Let's get to today's pour. I'll put the recipe down below and the colors I'm using. But let me show you this one. This is what is it? Modern Masters in Ruby. Oh my goodness, look at that color. So pretty. I'm hoping that I have a good selection of colors here. I really like purple and orange together. And we'll see what happens. Start with a cloud mix. I'm going with 2 light colors, the darkest, and then 2 mid-tone. I'm going to pour some more of that. This is wonderful, rich Dioxizine purple. And Cad Red Light, which is really an orange. And now that luscious ruby. So what do I have? Just one metallic, this one. I'm going to pour some of this cloud mix from up high. And now one more layer of each color. A little bit left over, and should I add some more white? Just a bit. And then maybe someone suggested I put some on the canvas, so I will. And here we go. No crazy 8s today. Pretty much just a straight pour. I'm rotating my wrists is all here and there. I really don't love a big white center. I wish I had reserved some of the... Wish I hadn't put it in there first. Oh well. Oh, that's very weird. Oh, it's pretty here and there. You know what? I'm gonna pour the rest of, I'm gonna combine all the rest of the colors and pour right over that. I don't like the way that looks right now, and it's only going to grow and get larger. So let's see. I'll put that beautiful ruby into the orange. And the purple. And I guess I should throw in the light as well. I mixed a little bit of the Dioxizine purple with white to come with this lighter shade. I knew I needed a lighter value in there. It's not very level here. Okay, I hope I like that better. I'm losing it over there. I'll hit it with a torch. I'm trying a new recipe. It's not even the one I used yesterday, or I mean the other day. So I don't know if it's going to work or not. I don't, see the immediate signs of a cloudy thing happening, but that's interesting. It's okay. I do not like that big white ring. But if I get it to reach all the edges, I might be okay with it. I'll run that over there in a second, but let me first go over here. I like that. And look, I got some nice cell action there. Interesting. I'm glad I added that lavender color at the end. That helped. Okay, over here and run that pointy shape off. I'm going to come back to get this swoopy shape, and now run that white off, get the white over there, and off it goes. Go, go, go. Go, please go. Okay. Wow. Well, it's nothing like I like I expected to get, but I like it. I kind of like it. Huh. I'm gonna hit it with a torch again. Wow, very interesting. Well, this recipe did not work for the cloud thing, really. A little bit over here, but I'm more taken with the center. What's going on there? So I was experimenting with my ratios. This is the only part I don't really think I like that. Let me turn it different orientations and see if I like it any better. I kind of like that from this angle. And I I've changed my mind on now. I do like this. The way you're looking at it now is the orientation I prefer. Now it's this section I don't care for. Can I possibly do something about that? I'm going to tilt a little. Tilt a lot. I think I'll stop there. Well, it's very different. Cover this little section there with purple. I could come back. I shouldn't waste your time doing this. Okay, let me bring you in a little closer, please. You can see if I turn that. Oh, look at that. Oh, I love that lacing that happened. There's the corner I didn't like, and I now do like it. Or no, it was this one I didn't care for, and yeah, I'm okay with it. Well, there you go. It's different, isn't it? I guess the cloud pour requires more experimentation, but I'm not unhappy with this. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for joining me.